Hey guys, it's Shrees, and today's video is going to be like, I don't know, random?
Forget you. What I need is for you to be sure, no, no, no. For you to be sure, no, no, no. For you to be sure, no, no, no. What I need.
I don't really have like a rhyme or reason to why I'm filming. I just really felt like filming today. I'm not even doing anything interesting on my face. I'm just gonna throw on some brows and put on some concealer and some like highlight, and that's gonna be it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Y'all, I've been so pleased with my skin lately. Like, girl, I think the biggest issues for me is like right here in my like temple area. I keep getting like a bump in the same spot, but other than that, I am so happy with my skin. And nobody asked me about this hair because it is tragic. This is the like very first wig that I made, and I'm pretty sure I have, well, I know for sure I have a video on it. Hopefully the video is still up. I don't know, I'll have to go look, and if the video hasn't like disappeared off of the internets, I will link it in the description. But this hair is tragic, and it came to me tragic, so that's why we got this little head wrap situation on it, because this frontal is trash. So I just put some of the Anastasia, what is this, brow primer. I'm going to speed through my brows real quick. I've been like having issues with them lately, so we'll see. So that's my brows. Not my best work, but it'll do today. I've been wanting to like carve them out with concealer and stuff, but I don't know, just the thought of me doing that frightens me. I don't know why. I'm gonna put just a very little bit of this clear elf brow mascara on, or brow gel, whatever you want to call it. I have the Essence one that I showed you guys in my latest beauty haul, but I don't like my vanity. If you were to see my vanity right now, you'd be like, bitch, how are you even functioning? Because my vanity is trash. There's shit everywhere. There's makeup all over it. My planner and all my like planner supplies are all over it. It's just a mess. There's something going on with this area right here. But anyway, so for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Hazelnut. And I think I need like maybe a little bit of a darker shade, but we'll see. This is only my second time using this. Y'all, the older I get, the more prominent my smile lines are. Like, girl. It used to be like just when I was wearing makeup that my smile lines looked super obvious, but now they are out of control. I'm using the Morphe highlight and contour brush, or sponge. I just picked this up yesterday from Ulta. I don't know how I feel about this sponge. If you've watched my channel for a while, you know I love the black beauty blender. It has to be the black one. Like, I don't really fucks with the pink or the other colors. And I also like the Tarte, I think it's like the Quickie Sponge or something. A little bit more concealer. Just a little bit more. I might have to like try this again with a heavy duty concealer. But I don't know which one to really try this with. Especially one with a darker skin tone. You guys know forever and a day I've been saying I wanted to get a darker NARS concealer because I currently use a Monday. I want to get like a more skin tone concealer, but that's $30. I've really chilled out on my makeup purchases over the like, I want to say like maybe 1.5 to 2 years. So I'm going to use some powder real quick. And I'm just going to use the Mercier. The deep, dark, medium deep, that one. And I'm definitely not baking, I'm just pushing this into my skin. I don't know how I feel about this freaking sponge. Me, I'm not baking. And then I just put a pound of it on this side. I think I really want to try a powder foundation this summer, so if you have one that you recommend, let me know. Alright, so I'm going to use a little bit of bronzer, and this is the Shea Moisture Bronzer in Maybelline Dusk, or I think it's just called Dusk now. Well, not even now, because they don't make it anymore. I don't know what is going on, but this was like literally the only bronzer I use. And now I'm like getting low on it, and I'm like, okay, so what bronzer I'm going to use now. So if you're around my skin tone, what do you use for bronzer? Like, I like to be bronze. Oh. The Milani Strobe face and eye thing. I want to say this is the darkest one. Yeah, I believe it's the darkest one. And I'm just gonna like mix all of them, hit my nose real quick. Ooh, love, love, love this. Now I'm going to spray my face down with the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. That is running low. And then while my face is drying, I'm going to use this Essence Get Big Lashes. I'm going to put some more of this Smith's Rosebud Salve on. And then over that, I'm going to put the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade, whoa, in the shade Ginger Snap. Alright, so that is it. I'm not putting on any more makeup on this face. It is so hot here in San Antonio. Like, I thought it was hot in El Paso, but I'm coming to realize that El Paso is that like nice dry heat. So it'll get up to 100 something degrees, but it's more of a dry heat, and San Antonio is so humid. I want to actually throw myself. Like, I cannot live my life like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up so more people can see it. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.